In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page in Wix Studio. This is a helpful skill to have, whether you want to restrict access to certain content or simply want a cleaner, more navigable website. Although there's no direct way to hide pages in Wix Studio, we can achieve a similar effect by setting permissions. So let's dive in and go through this step by step. First, you need to navigate to Wix Studio, the platform specifically designed for agencies and enterprises. Once you're on the Wix Studio homepage, look for the login button and click on it. If you haven't already logged in, the next step is crucial. You'll need to select the option to continue with your Google account. This allows you to seamlessly access your Wix projects without having to remember yet another password. Once you're logged into your Wix Studio account, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty. Although there isn't a specific hiding feature, we can use a workaround to get the desired result. Start by locating the page icon, which should be in your site's editing interface. This icon is your doorway to all the pages that make up your website. Click on it and you'll bring up a list of your pages. The next action is to select the page you wish to hide. Once you've done that, look to the right of the page name for three small dots. Your setting options, click these dots to bring up a menu, and then select settings. This is where you can control various aspects of your page, including its visibility. Within the settings, head over to the permissions tab. In this section, you'll find options that pertain to who can view this particular page. Look for the password holders setting. This is the mechanism we'll use to effectively hide the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter a password. By setting a password on the page, you're effectively limiting access to only those who have it. This can be particularly useful if you want to make certain pages available only to specific clients or team members, while keeping them invisible to general site visitors. Just enter a password of your choice and save your changes. And there you have it. That's how you can mimic hiding a page in Wix Studio by using the permission settings and requiring a password for access. It's a simple yet effective way to control who can see your content, adding a layer of privacy or exclusivity as needed. This workaround should fit most needs when full page visibility control is necessary. So take this newfound knowledge and apply it to your own Wix Studio projects. Ensure that important information is kept exactly where you need it to be, securely behind a password. Thank you for tuning in and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips and tricks.